Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Kaylee. Thank you so much for joining me today. I know it's been a little bit since I've uploaded again and I'm sorry, it's just very hard recently trying to find time to film. So I have about an hour of free time right now, so I thought I would hurry up and get this video done for you guys. That time of year where it's starting to get cold now, it's been cold here for like a week or two now, and it's time to bust out the sweaters and the cardigans, so I thought I would do a fall haul for you guys and show you guys a bunch of really cute affordable sweaters from a few different retailers. I'm not going to be keeping all of these, but I did want to show you guys all of them and kind of try them on and give you guys an idea of what's out there, what's affordable and what's really cute. I think I've got about 15 pieces from 4 different retailers to show you guys some affordable fall options. So if you're not already subscribed to my channel, please make sure to click that red button right down below. Go ahead and subscribe before you leave. And if you guys are ready to see this sweater slash cardigan fall haul, then please keep watching and let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so I have not tried any of these sweaters on with the exception of the one that I'm wearing. Obviously I've decided I'm going to keep this one because I like it. I wanted to wear something new today, so I just popped this one on. So I'm just going to go through everything kind of quickly. I'm going to be trying everything on so you guys can see how it fits. I'm going to go through where I purchased it, size, price, all that information, and then I'm gonna kind of put the information down here at the bottom of the screen for you as well. So let's go ahead and jump into this here. So I picked 4 different retailers because not everybody likes every retailer, and I just wanted to kind of sample a little variety from lots of different places. So I purchased from H&M, Forever 21, Nordstrom Rack, and Target. Pretty affordable across the board, but I found some really cute goodies and I hope they're gonna look good on. Like I said, I haven't tried anything on yet. So let's go ahead and start off with H&M. They are one of my all-time favorite fall clothing retailers. For whatever reason, I think they just have really, really great prices on some really cute, really comfy, cozy sweaters when it comes to like fall time. And they're usually pretty affordable, usually ranging from about $15 to $35 for a sweater, just depending. And I think they're usually pretty good quality. They hold up well, and I think they have some really cute styles. So I picked up 4 pieces from H&M, 3 of which are sweaters, one's a t-shirt, but I just had to get a cute t-shirt because I was placing an order. Anyways, I'm sorry, these are gonna skew the color of my camera. It's not great, but it's gonna happen. So this is the first piece that I got here. It is a beige colored rib knit dolman sleeve sweater, and it's just kind of very boxy in the shape. It's very like fall, comfy, casual. It's pretty lightweight and it's pretty thin, so not for a super, super cold day, but just for like a casual, true fall, like 60-degree day, I think that this would be a really cute little sweater. You can layer this with different jackets and things. This thing, oh, I have to pull up my prices. Ugh. Okay, so this sweater was $14.99, so again, pretty affordable, but it's not super, super thick, so I think the price matches the quality. It feels super soft. I think that the boxy kind of dolman style is just very cute. It's very flattering. This is something that you can just kind of throw on and run out the door with not much effort or thought. It's so messy in here, I don't even know like where to set stuff down, so that's good there. So the next piece I got from H&M is this chenille kind of waffle knit sweater. It's very, very fluffy and very cute. I love the chenille fabric this time of year. It's so warm and cozy. Like that's all I want to wear. I have several cardigans and sweaters in that fabric, and it's just, if you're like me and you hate being cold in the fall and the winter, go get yourself a chenille sweater or cardigan or something because you will live in it, and it is like one of the most amazing fabrics. It's so cozy and so warm, and of course pink is one of my very favorite colors, so this is like a really nice soft blush pink color. I like that it's like a little bit of a turtleneck, so this is something on a colder day. I think this is going to be really, really nice. I love how long and cozy the sleeves are, but it's a little bit of a shorter kind of, not cropped, but a shorter length. I'm obsessed with the fabric. I think that this is going to be a really great piece for fall, and this sweater was $29.99. Ordering from H&M, I asked my husband which sweater he thought between that one and this next one I'm going to show you. I asked him which one I should get, and I kind of flipped back and forth between the pictures, and he said, "Isn't that the same sweater?" No, it's not the same sweater. So this is the other sweater that I got from H&M. This one's more of a dusty pink, Jake. It's not a blush pink. This is a dusty pink, okay? So this one has like a cute kind of little braided design on the front, but this one is a little bit more boxy and a shorter length, but obviously this one is not a turtleneck. So to me, the sweaters are very different. I think the color of both of these sweaters is really cute. This sweater was also $29.99. I think that's like the majority of H&M's like more comfy, more fluffy sweaters are going to be around $30 to $40. The last thing that I got from H&M, I couldn't pass it up whenever I saw it on their website. I was already placing an order, so it's not really fall related, but it's a t-shirt that says Friends on it. So I had to get the t-shirt because obviously if you know me at all, I'm obsessed with Friends. I'm also obsessed with The Office, so like anything Friends or The Office related, I buy that. I don't know. It's just like my weakness. If something has to do with Friends or The Office, I don't even question it, I just buy it. It's probably a flaw, but that's okay. I don't typically buy t-shirts from H&M. I think I've bought like one or two in the past and they seem to be like the same kind of like comfy, stretchy material. But anytime I can get some kind of graphic tee, I'm really into graphic tees. This one was $12.99, so not crazy affordable, but it says Friends on it and I just know I'm gonna wear that all the time. I can put it under like jean jackets in the fall. I just think it's gonna be really cute. That's my weakness, judge me. All right, so let's go ahead and move on here. Kind of going through my big stack over here. The next place that I purchased from was Nordstrom Rack, and I got this really long lined gray cardigan. This is so long, I cannot even fit it all the way into the camera. I love really, really long line cardigans in the fall. It's just something I'm super into right now. I love like the kind of aspect that you can like wrap yourself up in it. It's just super comfy. And this one I just bought mainly because this is a really great basic staple that anyone can put into their wardrobe. You can wear literally anything with this, any kind of t-shirt or anything, jeans, and it looks like put together. This like kind of completes an outfit and it's not like super heavy, so you can wear this on a nice fall day. It has some really cute little pocket detail on the front, which I like. I just love long duster type cardigans. Like I cannot have enough of them in my wardrobe, honestly. And I just think that this really dark gray is a super great neutral shade that everyone should have in their closet. So this is from the brand Catherine Malandrino. I'm not sure. So this cardigan was $26.97 from Nordstrom Rack. I think that's a really great deal for a really nice long cozy cardigan under $30. Like you really can't beat that price. So I got two Madewell sweaters from Nordstrom Rack and they're both like this gray kind of color. Like this is the one and then this is the other one. Like they're really similar in color. This one's more of like a tan. This one's a little bit more of a true gray. So I was only planning on keeping one of them. I've already decided that this is the one I'm gonna keep and I have not even tried this one on, but just by looking at it, I already know that I like this one more. So this is the other one that I'm not gonna keep, but I still think is a pretty cute sweater. It's just a super, super basic sweater. It's got like a little bit of kind of design on the front, but other than that, it's very simple. It's a very plain sweater, but if you're into plain sweaters, it's very soft, very like comfy material. It feels not super thick, but thicker. It's just a really great neutral for fall. It's a crew neck, so you can kind of throw it on and go out the door. And it's gonna be a little bit shorter in the front than in the back, but just something super practical for jeans and sneakers in the fall time. Can you really ever have too many casual sweaters? And then this one that I'm wearing is obviously also Madewell. It's a little bit more of a beige color. This one is a little bit, has a little bit of a different kind of knit to it. This one's got a little bit more of a design to it than this one. At least it's a little bit more noticeable. So this one actually kind of separates in the back. So I just liked the design aspect of this sweater from the back. I thought it was a little bit more cute and had a little bit more of a design than the other one. So that's why I wanted to keep this one. Obviously, I already really love this sweater because I already wore it. So both of the Madewell sweaters were both $39.97. Yes, there's fuzzes flying around. They are a little bit more expensive, but it's Madewell, which is a very reputable brand that I really like. I don't buy a ton of stuff from Madewell unless I have coupons, just because they are more expensive, but you do get what you pay for. You do get really nice quality with Madewell, and I do really love every single piece that I have. So I don't currently own any Madewell sweaters, so I wanted to get one, and I'm really happy with this purchase so far. Moving right along, let's go ahead and look at what we got from Forever 21. So I'll show you the most boring one first. I just tried to get like a variety of things that a lot of people would like and that I could try on a bunch of different styles. So I don't currently own a navy blue sweater, so I wanted to get one. So I got this one, which is a little bit of a cropped length. It's gonna be a more crew neck, but a little bit of a wider crew neck sweater. And then it's just a little bit more of a boxy style. It's not like extremely soft, but it's pretty soft. And it's just like a really nice, like basic kind of sweater. I believe this came in lots of different colors. So if navy is not your cup of tea, I don't know if it's gonna be this one, but I really would love to have a navy sweater in my collection. I think that's a really great staple color for fall and it's super easy to style. That sweater was $15.90. The next sweater that I got from Forever 21 is going to be this hunter green one. I kind of am into the sweaters with a little bit of a design to them. I wanted to get one that kind of had that varsity look to it, so this one kind of gave me that effect. It has the nice white border. It is a nice big V-neck. I like that it's kind of an oversized sweater, so I think it might be cute to like drape it off the shoulder, just kind of tuck this into some jeans. I think it's gonna be really cute to like wear with some Converse or something. I don't own a sweater that's this color. I liked that it was kind of different. It's pretty soft. It's not super long, but it's a little bit longer than some of the other sweaters that we've looked at. This sweater was $19.90. The next sweater from Forever 21 is another chenille sweater. I love it so much. So this one is a little bit more of a corally color, which in the picture online, I kind of thought it was going to be a little bit more of like a dustier red orange. It does say that the color is pink, but it didn't look super pink in the picture. It's super, super, super soft. Like this one is even more soft than the other chenille sweater. This one is just like so cozy and soft. And this one is cropped. It is available in a couple of other colors as well. Give me everything that's chenille because I love it. This one was $19.90 and I think the style of the kind of boxy cropped sweater is really cute. My giant pile of sweaters right here is gonna fall over. The last sweater I got from Forever 21 is this cream colored turtleneck with some black and burgundy stripes across the front and across the sleeve. It's very long sleeve. It's very soft and comfy feeling. Like I said, I like sweaters with a little bit of a design to them right now. I think that this is super cute. It very much reminds me of Friends, something that like Rachel Green or Monica would have worn in like some of the earlier seasons. I think it's a very cute design, very comfy, and this one was $17.90. So I think this would be super cute to wear with like some black, maybe ripped up denim, but just very like 90s feeling type sweater. So I am obsessed with that one. I think it's gonna be really cute. All right, so that's everything from Forever 21. Let's go ahead and move on to the last retailer, which is Target. Classic. They have tons and tons of sweaters that are really, really cute for fall. So I got 3 pieces from Target, and then of course I went into Target a couple days ago and they have so many more cute options in the store, and I was so tempted to get so many more pieces. Just know that they have a ton more that are similar to this in the store. I would recommend going in store. If you have a Target near you, go in store and check it out rather than ordering it online because I'm just dumb. But the first sweater that I got, this is from the brand A New Day, which is like a newer line for Target, but they kind of like did a rebrand of their clothing. So this is a newer line for them, and I actually really like it. I bought several pieces from this brand so far, and I think that the quality is really nice. It's super comfy. So this is the first sweater. It's like a really pretty kind of lilac-y purple, and then it's got kind of a almost waved waffle design on the front, and then the sleeves are going to be just like a little bit more plain. So the design is really just on the front of the sweater. It's a little bit shorter. It's very soft. Again, it's that nice chenille fabric that I really, really like. Super soft and cozy. This sweater was $24.99. Oh, it's kind of expensive actually for how thin it feels. Oh my gosh, there's already like a little snag right here on the front. How'd that happen? No. Okay, it's gone. It's fixed. It's fine. I don't know if I love the design of this one. It looked different in the picture, but I just thought the color was really pretty. So that's why, like I said, I wanted to try a bunch of different things. You can see that the pile of my sweaters that's right here is growing on this table in front of me. Sorry, scoot that out of the way. The next piece I got from Target is a cardigan. So this is gonna be like, I think that they called this color purple. And it is very purple, although it looked very pink in the picture. So it looks super pink, but they called it purple, but I was like, oh, it's gonna be pink. But it is definitely more of a purple shade. It's like a mauve-y purple. Again, it's that nice soft chenille fabric. I wish it was a little bit longer. It looks like it's longer in the picture, but this one is actually a little bit shorter. When I was at Target, I saw another super cute, like true pink cardigan that's a little bit longer, but still that chenille fabric. I think I'm gonna probably end up bringing this one back and get the other one instead if I end up keeping it, because I really love the fabric and I think it's a cute design, but I would like it to be a little bit longer. I just like my cardigans a little bit longer right now. I don't know. So if you like shorter cardigans, I think that one will be really cute. That one was $27.99, but for me, I just wish that it was a little bit longer. And the last thing that I got, I haven't even taken it out of the plastic yet because I kind of already know that I'm not gonna like this one. So online, this just looks like a super cute V-neck, black and white knit sweater. And I'm sure that's kind of what it looks like to you guys. I really do want a black and white sweater, like knit like this, where you can kind of see that marled kind of look to it. But this has metallic threading in it, and I am just not a fan of metallic threading in clothing. No, it's just not for me. It's just not something that I wear. It's not something that I'm into. I already know that this one's going back. I'm still gonna try it on and show you guys. It's just not something that I am personally wild about. So I am still on the hunt for a black and white knit sweater. So if you know of any, leave it down in the comments because I still really want one that doesn't have silver metallic threading in it. So that is everything, you guys. Lots and lots of sweaters. Like I said, all these retailers have thousands of other options that are affordable and that are really cute, but this is just, I kind of wanted to get a really good variety of different things that I thought different people would like, that I thought I would like, and kind of try on and see how they are. Just kind of wanted to get like a good sprinkling of everything and show you guys a little bit of what is out there available from each of these retailers. So if you're looking for something like more trendy with a little bit more design, Forever 21's your place to go. If you're looking for affordable, like classic, really easy to throw on in style kind of sweaters, H&M has a lot of really good options, as always. Of course, Target, they have like thousands of options since they redid their like whole clothing brands and lines and everything, so they have a lot more cute options now as well. And of course, Nordstrom Rack, oh my gosh, don't even get me started how many awesome things you can find from Nordstrom Rack. Obviously going in store is fun, but a lot of times it's kind of picked over in store, so I love shopping Nordstrom Rack online. I love ordering lots of stuff, viewing it in person, trying it on, and then deciding what I want to keep and bringing the rest back to the store. I just think that that is like the best option. You have to spend $100 to get free shipping, which is not hard, but then you can just bring back the things that you don't like. They have all kinds of brands that you love that are expensive but at a discount, and that's why I love shopping online. If you don't know, they have a tab over to the side if you want to filter your options. It's called the Best Value tab. That tab is amazing. It filters by which pieces are at the greatest discount, so you can find expensive brands, Burberry, Vince, all the like luxury brands, and they're like super discounted. Or something that's normally $500 marked down to $100, or $300 marked down to $25. Like that tab, if you have not tried the Best Value tab on Nordstrom Rack, definitely check it out if you have not yet. And then again, you know that it's great brands and you're getting great quality at such an affordable discount, and it's just the way to go, let me tell you. It's so great. So that is it for this video, you guys. I do hope that you enjoyed it. Again, if you're not already subscribed, go ahead and subscribe before you leave. Leave me a comment down below if you're new to my channel and you want to chat. I love to talk to my new subscribers. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have an awesome week, and I will see you in my next video.